So welcome back everybody to the Eric and Tom show, and today we've got another really cool episode for you. The end of the year is approaching. Christmas is next weekend, so we wanted to take you out this year with a bang, and we've got some of our best hits, best videos of the year tucked right away, right in a row for you. So sit back. We got kitchens, bathroom, and everybody's favorite. We got all our epoxy from the year. So we crammed all this into about a 8-minute video for your viewing pleasure. So stay tuned. Check out this clip. All right, so that's it. We hope you enjoyed it. We do have some more videos coming out, tomorrow going into the weekend. And again, we're about a week away from Christmas. So, for me and Tom, to everybody viewing, no matter where you're at in the world, just know that we love you. We care for you truly. And, we hope that our Seasons with Episodes helps you in your journey through your process of what you're trying to get done. So from all of us here, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and we'll see you back with the next one.